Thanks to Epic and also Tosia to give us this opportunity to present our technologies. So my name is Chen. I'm sales manager and product manager for Asian Pacific region and overseeing the indirect sales, such as in Singapore, Korea, Israel. I'm following up Silicon Photonics almost more than 10 years. So ficonTEC is one of the German hidden champions. We are focusing on photonics packaging and testing solutions. We provide the solution worldwide. Since photonics now integrated into semiconductors, the challenge of semiconductor companies is the increased packaging accuracy requirement, and also need to maintain still the high throughput and also yield, and also the quickly evolving product development, as the slides the previous speaker mentioned already. But this is what exactly the solution from ficonTEC can provide as an ecosystem. So we have different platforms which is suitable for the NPI phase, new product development, to the high volume manufacturing, which are proven by the top semiconductor companies. The comprehensive capabilities we have is such as high precision passive active alignment, and also we can do the testing and packaging on wafer level and also on die level. All platforms of ficonTEC is using a unified API, which can ensure the seamless transition from NPI to high volume manufacturing, can also minimize the disruption and also accelerate the time to market. Modular machine design is another advantage we have, which enhance the spare parts management, reduce the maintenance cost, and also at the end, lower the total cost of ownership. I think this is essential for all the suppliers, all the manufacturing companies. The high yield and throughput is another advantage, which maximize the overall equipment effectiveness and also ensure the operational efficiency. In the following minutes, I will demonstrate how we can achieve that. So let's dive into the total solution we provide from wafer to die. So we provide the optical electrical testing solution on wafer level. With this 3D printed periscope solution, we are able to do the edge coupling already on wafer level. For the double-side optical engine, we are developing the wafer level testing solution together with our customers and also partners, which are able to hot dock the ETA directly on the testing system and for the high-speed testing. So we also provide the packaging solutions for heterogeneous integration of 3.5 device onto silicon photonic chip on wafer level, but also on die level with very high accuracy. We are talking about 0.2 micrometer in 3 sigma. So for the die level testing, we also provide the high-speed OE testing solutions with parallel testing process, which can increase the throughput significantly. For the customer product, actually previous speaker has already talking about the transceiver modules quite a lot. So we have the different packaging solutions for the traditional pluggable transceivers, and also for the co-packaging technologies, and also including the external laser source. We have already delivered over 150 machines to the largest silicon photonic company to their CM in South Asia for the lens attachment and also FAU attachment of their transceiver modules. Almost 80% of the companies who is developing the CPO packaging technologies are cooperating with us. Therefore, our versatile platform can provide solutions such as fiber into V-groove attachment, lens array attachment, and also fiber array attachments directly on the CPO module. Besides this optical, already mentioned optical alignment and testing solutions, we utilize our understanding and experience in optics, and also together with our flexible platforms, we also provide the solution, the line solution for FAU assembly technologies, working with the largest semiconductor company in Taiwan. So due to time limitation, I won't be able to explain too much about that. Basically, we can start with a ribbon or single fiber and do the laser stripping cleaving, and then end up with the end-of-line testing, such as pitch size measurement, return loss measurement, insertion loss measurement, and so on. If you need any more information, please feel free to contact me offline. In terms of high accuracy heterogeneous integration, we provide also a special flip chip bonding technology with assistance of IR image system. We can achieve submicron alignment accuracy. So the principle of this technology is to use as the picture shows, I make a pointer. So we use the IR image system and also IR illumination. We can look through the PIC chip, and we can align the fiduciary on the top side of the PIC chip and bottom side of the 3.5 device die. And achieve submicron accuracy. And we use the advanced vision process, and together with the very accurate motion system, we can already achieve 0.2 micrometer in 3 sigma. And beside alignment with fiduciary, we can also use the waveguide as image to do the alignment. Okay, let me move to the next slide. Okay. In terms of high volume manufacturing, we provide a standalone machine with fully automatic loading system. We are also able to line up multiple machines with the conveyor system and provide the inline solution. So this is one example. We provide the whole line solution for this is for automobile, and the whole assembly line has like more than 20 machines for the camera assembly. Our solution is SEMI S2 certificated and also can fulfill the cisgen requirement. Like I mentioned before, we have already delivered a couple hundreds of machines for customers. And now in this year, we are delivering over 50 machines for one customer for their 1.6 terabyte transceiver modules. We build up our software architectures around our packaging and testing solutions. And we use machine learning technologies, nowadays more we can call it AI technologies, to process all data we can gather inside a machine and provide the following functions, such as custom visualization for process parameters. We can put all of manufacturing data on one dashboard. Inline key parameter monitoring, which we call sometimes preventative maintenance. The machine will monitoring the data in production, and if there's any abnormal trend, then the machine will automatically send alarm to the operator or engineers. And we have also the capability to do the inline motion parameter optimization, active or passive alignment improvement. We use deep learning for inspection function. We have also virtual system as a simulation tool. Customer can use it for the product development and also process development without touching the real machine, which is running in production. And we also have another very important function is so-called process control software. Imagine you have over 100 machines in the production line, and if you need to update the process, you can update all the process on one machine for one time without changing the parameters or process one by one, which is very time consuming and huge effort. So as a global company, we'll provide local service support from different ficonTEC sites. We have very strong service team in the United States, Europe, and in China, and also in Thailand. And we are establishing a new service team in Malaysia and also one new subsidiary in Taiwan. With the application labs in Asia, in Europe, and also in the US, we also support customer product development and also proof of concept. This is a very short presentation about our company and solutions. Now we have a couple minutes for questions.